Robot Skinner coming at you with another episode of Happy Fun Time with Hairball the Robot Skinner. This is the show where I take skin off of animatronic robots that I find at thrift stores. And this one, it's wearing a dress, it has a bow, it's some kind of, I think it's a dog. Yeah, I think it's a dog. It doesn't seem to work though. Yeah, I just put fresh batteries in it. Let's try flipping its switch again. No. But sometimes, when you switch batteries out and then you start ripping it apart, it all of a sudden starts working. So we'll see. Let's give it a try. And there it is. It came out pretty good and it did start working. The reason it wasn't working, this little connector was pulled. So let's turn it on and see what this does exactly. Well, that's enough of that. That goes on for a while, but yeah, it's got a motor here to control the mouth, and then it tilts back and forth. This is a rather annoying one. I'm impressed. I didn't think it really would do much. I wasn't even sure if the parts inside were just like extra speakers or anything, but yeah. So what a nice looking robot. Now remember, it doesn't actually get happy because it's being skinned. My brother told me that what I'm doing is I'm imposing human interpretation. These robots have no emotion, so it's not happy. It is just more efficient. So there you go. Alright, well this has been Hans, or Hairball the Robot Skinner. Yeah, I'll get used to that. Enjoy your robots. Skin them happily. Bye.